Okay, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to not get DMCA'd based off of your VODs. Disclaimer, it does not stop Twitch from live DMCAing you. Alright, step one. I've given you all of the programs, all that you need to make this happen. You need that virtual audio cable. Trust me. Anyways, what is first? First is going to be your potato. I'm not gonna explain this program in depth because I don't even know it that much in depth. I had banana before this. Okay, let's move on. For your A1, you can, depending on your audio drivers, you need to set this up from WDM to MME. It all depends on if you hear crackling or if your audience, whoever's hearing you, says your voice is crackling. So I have mine to MME. Whatever. Some audio drivers, depending on if I think you have like a super updated mixer or whatever, use WDM. It all depends on you. You can set your A2 to your speakers and or other output audio devices, but I don't have any. So, alright, thing is, you can right click these labels to label them so you basically know which one's which. Mine's mic, then it's browser for the virtual audio cable. Then these right here are desktop, comms, and music. So, alright, going back to this, set your mic, of course, to your microphone, and the MME and the WDM have to correspond with each other. This one, oh shit. This one is going to be your cable output, your virtual audio cable right here. That's the label for it. Alright. Now, make sure these channels right here are clicked on B2 for your mic. If you press A1, then you can hear it itself, which is weird. But your virtual audio cable is, of course, A1, 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 blah, blah, blah. A1. That's all you need. I think this is set right. When you start streaming, don't really touch Voicemeeter Potato, but you'll see what I mean whenever I go to the OBS or Streamlabs or anything like that. Alright, what's next? Go to your sound drivers. You will need this menu. For your playback, scroll all the way down. Your main default device is going to be your VAIO. Set your aux VAIO to default communications. Okay? And recording, from what I'm doing, I'm setting my mic up through the Voicemeeter so you don't have to click on mic. You can, but I'm doing it this way so I can control my mic through the audio drivers in the other programs. But I set this up to, the recording is going to be set up in the aux VAIO. Just make that default. Alright, next. Soundtrack by Twitch, automatically, you can play music through here, that's fine. I mean, I clicked on rap and it was fucked up. I don't like the rap. Anyways, this is what helps your Discord, or sorry, your OBS mute all your audio from this program and other Spotify, Google Play. It'll help that delete your audio from your VODs. Okay, next. EarTrumpet is important. I'm going to bring this over. EarTrumpet, go ahead and left click on EarTrumpet. It'll have the same recording, or sorry, symbol that your sounds has. But right click on that. You're gonna want to have your browser up. Let me go ahead and do that really quick. Oh, I do have that up. And I'm gonna bring up Spotify. You can make sure your Spotify is playing. You can, of course, mute your Spotify so you don't have to hear it. Right click your EarTrumpet. Now you can right click on Spotify. I have this set to VAIO 3, okay? And then for your browser, it is going to be, which I have Brave. Some people have Google Chrome, blah, blah. It's going to be your cable input, so your virtual audio cable. That's important. All right, there's that. I think Discord is next. Discord, when you go to your voice and video, it's going to be default. Don't mess with this. It's just going to route it just the way it should. Next. Sorry, I'm saying next, whatever. Deal with it because I'm just trying to go step by step. Go to your settings on your OBS/slobs. Okay, output, first of all, since I'm recording, I can't change this. Audio track is to your stream. Twitch VOD track is, of course, your VODs. Click Twitch track to 1. Make sure your VOD track is on. You may have to make sure you're in advance to be able to see these settings. But Twitch VOD track is going to be 2. Okay, audio. Your audio tab is going to be disabled. Don't worry about mic auxiliary audio 3. Leave that as device not connected or available. You do have to have soundtrack by Twitch, like, in your task tray. Excuse me. You don't have to use it. You can still use Spotify. But make sure that's that. Alright, next. Make sure, okay, when you have your sources, make a folder that, label it as you wish. Make different outputs and inputs. Input is going to be your mic, of course. Mic is set to aux VIO. For your input, that is an input. Sure. All 3 of these, or all 4 of these, I have as outputs, considering your stream is hearing an output. Desktop is going to be a VAIO. Your music, which is your Spotify/Google Play, is going to be VAIO 3. Your Discord is aux VIO. Your browser is going to route through your virtual audio cable. Alright. Whenever you get this set up, you're gonna have to check your audio volumes. Make sure none of your audio volumes are in the red, or else your audience will hear crackling and it'll just be too loud for their ears. Make sure it is at least in the yellows. But whenever it comes to your mic, you want your mic to be louder than every other audio track there is. Okay, now go to Edit, Advanced Audio Properties, and you see the browser names and all your audio tracks. Your soundtrack by Twitch is automatically set to, these are your VODs right here. Your VOD audio tracks. But make sure it is set to 6. Whenever it comes to your music, which is, of course, your Spotify, that is going to be just set to 1, so your stream can hear it, but your VODs cannot. Now, if you are going to play something through your browser, that can get you DMCA'd, you need to do the same as your music. And I'm pretty sure that sums it up. But if you guys have questions, please let me know. I will go ahead and answer them as best as I can. Just DM me. The name is Gibbsby. You'll see my name in stream tips. Thank you. You're lovely. Have a good day.